Hi guys, how you doing? My name is Ngina. Welcome to Ngina's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Today I'll be showing you how to make roasted peanuts at home. So if you're curious on how to do that, just keep watching. So I use 2 cups of peanuts, raw peanuts. You can use 1 cup. It depends on how much you need. And then add some salt, just a bit of salt, and a bit of water. Just sprinkle a bit of water. You don't need to put too much water, because if you do, they'll get soggy and you don't want that to happen. Next, just combine that properly. Meanwhile, you can just preheat your pan just to make sure it's hot enough by the time you're putting in your peanuts, and then just add them in. Once they're in the pan, just reduce the heat to medium high, because you don't want the peanuts to burn before they actually cook. So next, you'll just keep doing is stirring and spreading. It gets really boring at some point, so you have to be very patient, or you might as well just, go get a glass of wine in the meantime or dance a bit, whatever. But don't forget about the peanuts, because they're gonna burn. And then just keep stirring and spreading until you hear like a cracking sound. Or what you can do to know whether or not they're ready is to pick just one peanut and try and peel it. If it peels off easily, then that means it's ready. All right, this part is optional, but if you want them to look at least a bit greasy, just add a bit of oil and just keep stirring and spreading, doing the same thing. It's the same thing over and over again. So yeah, just keep stirring and spreading. At this point, they're really ready, so you'll need to turn down your heat so that they don't burn, because the moment they start burning, they're going to be very bitter, and you really don't want that. Okay, and that's really it. That's how you make peanuts from home. You can turn them into peanut butter, or put it in a smoothie, or just have it with tea. There are people who have this with tea. Yeah, just do you. All right, please do like this video, share with your friends, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting easy homemade recipes. All right, have a good one and enjoy.